Hello my dear students, how are you? I hope you are doing well. In last session, I have explained you plastic, and today I am going to explain types of plastics. There are two types of plastics. One is thermoplastic and second is thermosetting plastics. Let's see what is thermoplastics. Plastics which get deformed easily on heating and can be bent are called thermoplastics. Second point is polythene and PVC are some example of thermoplastics. Thermoplastic used for manufacturing toys, combs and various types of container. These are points of thermoplastics. Let's see thermosetting plastics. First point, plastic which when molded once cannot be softened easily by heating are called thermosetting plastics. Example, bakelite and melamine. Bakelite used for making electrical switches, handle of various utensils, and melamine used for making floor tiles, kitchen ware and fabrics which resist fire. Okay, these are types of plastic, thermoplastic and thermosetting plastics. Next, let's see characteristics of plastics. Plastic is non-reactive. Plastic is light, strong and durable. Plastic is poor conductor of electricity. Okay, these are characteristics of plastics. Next, see biodegradable and non-biodegradable material. What is biodegradable? A material which get decomposed by natural process with the help of bacteria is called biodegradable material. Sorry. For example, cotton, cloths, leaf, etc. Non-biodegradable material which cannot be decomposed by natural process with the help of bacteria is called non-biodegradable. For example, plastic bags, tin, etc. Okay. Next, see type of waste and how much time it take for degenerate and what is the nature of material. Let's see type of waste. Peels of vegetables and fruits, leftover food stuff, etc. take time 1 to 2 weeks and it is biodegradable. Paper take time for degenerate 10 to 30 days. It is also biodegradable. Third is cotton cloths. It take time 2 to 5 months for degenerate. It is also biodegradable. And wood take time for degenerate 10 to 15 years. It is also biodegradable. Woolen cloths about a year and it is also biodegradable. Tin, aluminium and other metals cans take time 100 to 500 years for degenerate and it is non-biodegradable. Okay, and last is plastic bags. It takes several years. Okay, it is also non-biodegradable. That is why we avoid the use of plastics as far as possible. Okay, now this chapter lesson 3rd synthetic fiber has been finished and I will give answer of your exercises. You have to complete in your notebook Question number 1 to question number 15. I'll provide you answer. Okay. Take care of your health. Bye bye.